it's good that you mentioned LaSalle, Jessie, because I was going to ask you guys about LaSalle because medyo misteryo eh ang LaSalle this off-season. Nakita ko yung photo ng mga players nila at ang dami kong hindi pa nakikita. So, what are your thoughts on LaSalle? They're the 3-time champions. How can they defend their championship with a mysterious, surprising lineup na hindi pa tayo sure kung sino ba ang ilalabas na baraha ni Coach Ramil?
Yun, I think that's one of the most exciting part talaga in the UAAP. Yung preparation ng bawat teams. And syempre, LaSalle also, I think, isa lang ang naging tournament nila this year, which is the Uni Games. So, dun lang nakita. Pero hindi pa rin yan yung lahat na na-line up ni Coach Ramil. So, kaabang-abang talaga ang LaSalle this year. Kung gaano kaabang-abang ang UST kasi may pasabog si Dimdim. Tingnan natin kung ano daw pasabog ni Coach Ramil.
Si your teammate, si Mitch Morente, how excited are you? A lot of people are saying that this is her time to finally go from blue to green.
Alam mo, any color, ang importante, you do what you love also. And I think Michelle really loves volleyball. That's why kahit saan pa siya maglalaro siya and i-represent niya kung ano yung school na pinaglalaruan niya kasi mahal niya yung volleyball. And we're just really happy na ipagpatuloy niya yung dreams niya talaga. So, really looking forward sa ipa-perform ni Michelle Morente this year.